Utility or usefulness of regression. This type of question can be asked in your 2 marker or 3 marker. So first, we can determine functional relationship between two correlated variables. If two variables are having some sort of cause and effect relationship, then we can have idea about the mathematical or functional relationship among them. Once the functional relationship or the mathematical or statistical model or equation is established, we can find out the estimated value of dependent variable on the basis of the given value of independent variable. So as we are doing, okay, with the given value of x, we can find estimated or predicted value of y. We can determine the approximate change in the value of y for a unit change in value of x. So for example, if there is increase in x by 1 unit, how much increase would be there in the value of y? So these change, these increase or decrease will be equal to the value of regression coefficient, that is b. Then we can determine the error in estimation, E, the difference between estimated value and actual value of dependent variable. E is equal to y minus y cap. So this regression is very useful for economists, planner, businessman, administrator, researcher for carrying out their further calculation. Now shortcut method or method of UV. In order to determine the relationship between monthly income in 1000 rupees and monthly expenditure in 1000 rupees of people of a group, a sample of 7 persons is taken from that group and the following information is obtained. Obtain regression line of monthly expenditure on monthly income. If a person of a group has monthly income of 75,000 rupees, estimate the monthly expenditure. Now, first of all, we will find out value of x bar and y bar. Sigma x upon n. Now, here value of x bar is 65.85, which is non-integer. So we will take a nearest value of x. Say from each value of x we will subtract 65. You can subtract 64 or 66 as well. No problem. But generally the nearest value will be taken. So that is called assume mean or shortcut method. And from each value of y we will subtract 55. Now, in this sum neither we have divided nor multiplied x or y. So there will be no cy, no cx. Class length of x and class length of y is not there. So we won't add this stuff. We will put this formula simply. So 7 sigma 59.
सर 59 ના જગ્યાએ 69 આવે છે તમે
એક મિનિટ 0.59 no 62 0.62. regression line. When x is equal to 75, estimated value of y. $60.78 or 77. Rupees. So when estimated income of a person is 75,000, then his expense will be 60.77 or 78. For the following data, illustration 1 notch, the obtained regression line of maintenance cost on life of car by using shortcut method. From x you can subtract 5. It's a normal thing. Now you can see here all the value of x are divisible by 2. So instead of 5 I will subtract 4 and then we will divide each value by 2. That is your class length. The difference between each value. Each value of x is divisible by 2. That's why. So 2 minus 4 divided by 2. So that will be minus 1. Then 4 minus 4 divided by 2, 0. 6 minus 4 divided by 2, 1. And 8 minus 4 divided by 2. So that is 2. Then for y also, I can subtract 20. Then here also, each value is divisible by 5. So I will divide the resultant figure by 5. 10 minus 20, that is minus 10 divided by 5. Then 20 minus 20 divided by 5. 25 minus 20 divided by 5. And 30 minus 20 divided by 5. Now cy, the value with which we have divided all the observation of y, that is 5, and cx, that will be 2. Now regression equation, a plus bx. Illustration 6. A sample of 7 students is taken from the students coming from abroad in the current year to study in the University of Gujarat State. The information regarding their IQ, intelligent quotient, and their marks obtained in examination of 75 marks is given below. 75 marks exam was conducted, and how much marks they obtained and how much is their IQ level, that has been given to you. Obtain regression line of y and x and estimate the marks of student whose IQ is 120. Also find the error in estimation when IQ is 100. So from each value of x, I will subtract 95 as it is. And since all values are divisible by 5 for x, I will divide by 5. So 85 minus 95 divided by 5. 1. So plus 1. 6. Now, from each value of y, say I will subtract 50. Now here all values are divisible by 5 except first value 46. So we cannot divide. Whatever operation you are performing, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, it has to be performed on all the observations. Here 46 is not divisible by 5, so we cannot divide. But we have to just subtract. So there will be no CY. Class length of Y will be not there. It will be taken as 1. CY 1 and CX 5. So 7 into 193. 60. Hmm, 0.55 to 50, 50 to 0.351 divided by 5 plus 56 or 57. बराबर ये लोग શું સબટ્રેક્ટ કરેंगे ના થોડી 1 મિનિટ 0.56 143 y cap a plus dx. Now when IQ is 120, 0.56. $64.77 marks. So 0.1 less 65 marks. Now you have to find out error of estimation E when x is equal to 100. Now when x is equal to 100, estimation. So first of all, when x is equal to 100, we have to find out estimated value of y. Now E, that is actual value of y minus estimated value. So when x is equal to 100, actual value of y is 50. So difference between actual value and estimated value, that is your error of estimation. Done sum. So x bar will be 68.5 divided by 10. So it will be 6.85. 2860. What 14,500 divided by 10, so 1450. Now you can see શું થાય બે વસ્તુ થાય either I can subtract nearest value say 7 from each value of x and then divide by 0.5 to remove decimal point, or I can multiply it by 10, one and the same thing. Will happen x minus 7, here I will multiply with 10 to eliminate point. 4 minus 7 into 10. Your intention should be to minimize the value. X minus 7. Minus 30. That's 25. Minus 20. Minus 10. Minus 5. 0. That's 10. 15. 20. 30. હવે સ્ટીલ અને 5 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય જેટલું મિનિમમ કરવું થતું હોય એટલું કરવું પડે બરાબર સો your value will be minus 6 5 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 0 2 3 4 and 6 बराबर minus 6 plus 5 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 then for we will subtract directly instead of 1450 I'll subtract 1400 why so that I can divide by 100 કારણ કે બધા નંબર 100 થી divisible છે if I will subtract 1450 then I can divide by 50 બરાબર so to make the number more easy to calculate I will divide by 100 so 2000 minus 1400 divided by 100 6 4 2 1 1 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 and minus 3 we will consider these 6 plus 20. See, CY तो direct 100. We have divided Y with 100. Now CX. So we have multiplied with 10 and divided by 5. Reverse થઈ જાય. Whatever we have multiplied, that will come into denominator. So it will be 1 by 2, or you can write 0.5. Sigma UV minus 63. Seven five one 47. Hundred divided by 0.5 it will become 200. Minus 93.6. तो चेंज करो आवश्यक. क्या 6 4 2 1. बराबर છે. 6. बराबर. A y bar minus bx bar. Y bar is 1450. Three point six into 6.85 minus 1 plus. Regression equation.